With profound respect, we however regret that the court ruled that the DCI had unlawfully obtained some evidence against the petitioner and therefore annulled the charges against the petitioner on the basis of alleged infringement of her privacy. No party advanced any arguments on this point, nor did the court invite us or any of the parties to submit or make submissions from any party before reaching its conclusion on this ground. In other words, these were not prayed by anybody. Since it was not pleaded, if the court had called on the parties, we could have evidenced before them that we had all the warrants issued in relation to the investigations of the suspects' accounts, the affidavits of the investigating officers, the court orders issued to the DCI to investigate the accounts, and the service of those orders to the respective banks, including IBL. And these orders, we obtained them from the Milimani court here, and we have them.